Even though the COVID-19 pandemic has stopped many celebrations from happening, the Rockford Public School staff still shows pride for their seniors. My name is Lauren Constorf, and I'm here at the Senior Cap and Gown Pickup. There are a lot of teachers here today who are celebrating the class of 2020.
To have the resilience that they do, to suck it up and just go the distance, I'm so proud.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much Ram pride do you have here today?
I have got a 10 plus Ram pride, baby!
The line was socially distanced all the way to the Freshman Center with over 130 signs. As seniors drove through the bus loop to pick up their caps and gowns while following safety guidelines, teachers and staff lined up 6 feet apart from each other as they congratulated the class of 2020.
I will miss the interaction, their cute sense of humor, their athletic dynamics. I will miss all of those things.
I'm going to miss their creativity and the life they bring to the pottery studio down in the art wing.
I miss just seeing these once little kids become these grown-ups and to hear them so excited about what's happening around the corner. I just miss sharing the joy with them.
I miss having them in class every day and being able to talk and hear their stories and hear what's going on in their lives and what their plans are.
If one thing is to be remembered from this day, it is that the teachers are beyond proud of their seniors. This has been Lauren Constorf with Beyond the Rock School News, signing off.